Lyft drivers don't get a fixed hourly wage, because every trip is paid per ride based on distance, time, and local demand at that exact moment. By the end, you'll understand how Lyft actually calculates your pay, what directly changes your earnings day to day, and when driving for Lyft feels worth it versus when it doesn't. Lyft works on a simple structure. You get paid when a passenger books a ride, you complete the trip, and the app calculates your fare after the ride ends. That fare isn't random, but it also isn't stable. It changes depending on how far you drive, how long the trip takes, and how busy the area is when you're online. Short rides and slow periods feel completely different from longer rides during high demand, even in the same city. A big part of understanding Lyft is realizing you're not just driving, you're reacting to demand. When more people request rides than there are drivers nearby, payouts tend to feel better because trips are assigned faster and back-to-back. When there are too many drivers online, you end up waiting longer between rides, and that directly lowers your effective earnings because your time is still running even when you're not moving. Another factor is location. Airports, business districts, nightlife areas, and event venues usually behave differently from residential zones. Moving between these areas instead of staying in one spot often changes how consistently you get ride requests. Many drivers who feel stuck are usually just parked in low-demand zones for too long. Your costs also matter more than most people expect. Fuel, vehicle wear, and time spent waiting all reduce what you actually keep. Two drivers can complete the same number of rides but take home very different results depending on how efficiently they position themselves and how often they stay active during busy periods. So is Lyft worth it? It depends on whether you can treat it like active timing instead of passive driving. If you go online during busy hours, stay in high-demand zones, and minimize idle time, it can feel consistent. If you drive randomly without paying attention to demand patterns, it often feels slow and unpredictable. Here's the simple breakdown. Lyft pay is ride-based, demand changes everything, and location strategy matters more than just driving more hours. If you're thinking about driving, start by testing different areas and tracking when ride requests come in fastest for your city. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of rideshare apps and how they actually work in real life.